My LG LRFD25850tt ice maker is making a loud noise. How can I uninstall the ice maker?
Hello, my name is XXXXX you for choosing our service. If you find my answer satisfactory, please log in if you are not already logged in and leave an OK or better rating. Look at the image below. Where the blue arrows are drawn, loosen those two screws. Where the red arrow is drawn, remove that screw. Lift the ice maker off, then follow the wire harness to the back wall and unlock, then pull the connector out. Once you have the ice maker out, close up the refrigerator, and if the noise is gone, the problem will be the ice maker. There are no serviceable parts for that ice maker, and if it is broken, the only repair is to replace it. I have linked it below for you. www.repairclinic.com/part details/ice maker assembly /5989 JA 0002N/1266866 replaced manufacturer part number equals 5989 JA 0002A. Recade equals 1000064. If that noise continues after the ice maker has been removed, please let me know. Thanks, Barry. Click to enlarge.
Thanks for your answer. The problem turned out to be there was ice on the walls behind the frozen food tray, and when I knocked it off, the noise stopped.
Wow, is the refrigerator cooling normally? Very.
Yes. That is why I didn't think to check behind the tray for air blockage. Will this answer be available to me after I log out, just in case the problem isn't truly fixed?
Yes, it will be, Sherry. Bookmark this page so you will have it. My hours are 8 to 8 Eastern Time. If you reply, I will see it and follow up with you for 30 days. I always do follow up because I understand sometimes what seems obvious is not always the case, and they allow us to do that here. So if something happens, let me know and I will go over the whole refrigerator with you if needed. Thanks, Barry.
Thanks so much. You have restored peace to my home and my nerves are no longer frazzled with that annoying noise.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.